You brush your teeth. You shower daily. You wash your hands. But what if some of your daily hygiene habits are actually doing more harm than good? Millions of people unknowingly make simple hygiene mistakes that can lead to bad breath, skin problems, infections, and even long-term health issues. In today's video, we'll reveal the most common hygiene mistakes people make, and more importantly, how to fix them the right way. Stay with us, because some of these might surprise you. Section 1. Hand hygiene mistakes. Mistake number 1. Not washing hands long enough. Many people wash their hands for just 5 seconds, which is not enough to remove germs. Fix. Wash for at least 20 seconds, including between fingers, under nails, back of hands. Mistake number 2. Skipping hand washing after key moments. You should always wash your hands after using the bathroom, before eating, after touching public surfaces, after coughing or sneezing. Skipping these moments spreads bacteria quickly. Mistake number 3. Using dirty towels. Drying clean hands on a dirty towel defeats the purpose. Fix. Use a clean towel. Replace hand towels every 2 to 3 days. Section 2. Showering and body care. Mistake number 4. Showering too often. Showering multiple times a day may strip natural oils, causing dry, irritated skin. Fix. Shower once daily or every other day, depending on activity level. Mistake number 5. Not washing properly. Many people miss areas like behind ears, belly button, feet, back. These areas collect sweat and bacteria. Mistake number 6. Using dirty loofahs or sponges. Loofahs can become breeding grounds for bacteria if not cleaned properly. Fix. Rinse and dry after use. Replace every 3 to 4 weeks. Mistake number 7. Not drying the body properly. Moist environments encourage fungal growth, especially between toes, underarms, skin folds. Section 3. Oral hygiene errors. Mistake number 8. Brushing too hard. Brushing aggressively can damage enamel and irritate gums. Fix. Use a soft bristle toothbrush. Gentle circular motions. Mistake number 9. Not brushing long enough. Brushing for less than 2 minutes leaves plaque behind. Mistake number 10. Ignoring the tongue. The tongue holds bacteria that cause bad breath. Fix. Use a tongue scraper or brush gently. Mistake number 11. Using old toothbrushes. Worn bristles don't clean effectively. Fix. Replace every 3 months. Mistake number 12. Skipping flossing. Brushing alone cannot clean between teeth. Section 4. Clothing and personal items. Mistake number 13. Rewearing dirty clothes. Sweat and bacteria build up in clothing. Fix. Change underwear daily. Avoid reusing gym clothes. Mistake number 14. Not washing bedsheets regularly. Bedsheets collect sweat, dead skin cells, dust mites. Fix. Wash weekly. Mistake number 15. Using dirty phone screens. Phones carry more bacteria than toilet seats. Fix. Clean with disinfectant wipes regularly. Mistake number 16. Sharing personal items. Avoid sharing towels, razors, toothbrushes. This can spread infections. Section 5. Hair and skin hygiene. Mistake number 17. Overwashing hair. Washing hair daily can dry out the scalp. Fix. Wash 2 to 3 times per week, depending on hair type. Mistake number 18. Not cleaning makeup brushes. Dirty brushes can cause acne and infections. Fix. Clean weekly. Mistake number 19. Touching face frequently. Hands transfer bacteria to your face, causing breakouts. Mistake number 20. Sleeping with makeup on. This clogs pores and accelerates skin damage. Section 6. Toilet Hygiene. Mistake number 21. Flushing with lid open. Flushing spreads bacteria into the air. Fix. Close the lid before flushing. Mistake number 22. Not cleaning toilet frequently. Regular cleaning prevents bacteria buildup. Mistake number 23. Improper wiping habits. Incorrect wiping can lead to infections. Fix. Always wipe front to back. Section 7. Bonus hidden mistakes. Mistake number 24. Not cleaning nails. Dirt under nails carries bacteria. Mistake number 25. Ignoring foot hygiene. Feet sweat a lot and can develop odor or fungus. Conclusion. Good hygiene isn't just about looking clean, it's about protecting your health. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can prevent infections, improve your skin and oral health, boost confidence, start with small changes, and build better habits every day. If you found this helpful, like this video, comment, clean habits, subscribe for more health and self-care tips.